सो नुआ ओडिशा पाई आमे बहुत बड़ गोटे विजन देखीचु सब आई थिंक ओडिशार समस्ते ये स्वप्नटा देखी जे 2036 जो समय रे आमे 100 वर्षर हेबू से समय आम ओडिशा केमती दिसिबो और से आमे आशा करूछु जे आमे जो आज 113 बिलियन डॉलर इकोनॉमी अच्छु आमे भाबुछु से पर्यंत आमे 500 बिलियन डॉलर इकोनॉमी हो जिबु आमर ग्रोथ वर्तमान 7.9% अच्छे आमे आशा करूछु सेटा भी बढ़ी जीवो आमे आशा करूछु आमे आउ बेसी जॉब्स देबु और एटा तीनटा स्तंभ रे आमे ताकू रखीछु। प्रथम स्तंभ होची समृद्धि केमिति आमर जो अर्बनाइजेशन अच्छी ताकू आमे केमिति ग्रोथ इंजिन हिसाब रे नेबा तापरे आमे पोर्ट्स केमती डेवलप करिबा एयरपोर्ट केमती बढ़ाइबा रोड्स केमती बढ़ाइबा रेलवे केमती बढ़ाइबा से ही बड़ी सेकंड स्तंभ अच्छी आमर केमिति समस्तंकर स्वास्थ्य भलो हेबो एजुकेशन भलो हेबो स्किलिंग भलो हेबो ये सबू केमती आमर जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स को बढ़ाइबा और तृतीय होची समावेशी केमिति जहाँ भी आमे करूचु तार जहाँ फ्रूट्स हेबो सेटा केमिति तृणमूल स्तर रे आमे पहुँचाई पारिबा। तो यही सबुरे आमे सबुरे जो गोटे क्रॉस कटिंग थीम अच्छी आमर 26 जो चैप्टर अच्छी से होची विमेन लेड डेवलपमेंट केमती महिला मानंकु मध्य आमे यही प्रोसेस रे केवल बेनिफिशियरीज नहीं किंतु आमे तांको इक्वल पार्टनर्स इन प्रोग्रेस करि परिबा सेटा होची आमर मेन मोटो। तो एटा थैंक यू।
नुआ ओडिशा माने आमर जो जिते सब लेडी एंटरप्रेन्योर माने अच्छी एमएसएमई रु स्टार्टअप रु सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप रु से माने गोटे गोटे माने लीडिंग करूछंती गोटे गोटे तांकर जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो तांकर माने बिजनेस कम्युनिटी हो तांकर सब जिनस रे से पारंगम अच्छी। आज आमर जो मैडम जो आमर चीफ सेक्रेटरी मैडम जो आमर रोल मॉडल जो मुझे फर्स्ट चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ ओडिशा जो कि लेडी से आसी आम पाखक आसी आमको तांकर बहुत सारा फ्यूचर आमर जो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ ओडिशा डिफरेंट सेक्टर रे टूरिज्म हो एमएसएमई हो स्टार्टअप हो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग से जो ब्यूटीफुली डिस्क्राइब कले आमर लेडीज मान कौन भल कौ जगार गले भल केमिति प्लाटफॉर्म केमिति बेनिफिट हम कौन सेक्टर रे फायदा हम से जिनस ब्यूटीफुली जिते डिस्क्राइब करटा आम बहुत बहुत बेनिफिट मिल एंड बहुत बहुत उपकृत जो आम जो मंच रे आसिकी से एते ब्यूटीफुल आमर सहयोग करिसेंती मु आ कौन कहबी मो पाखरे माने तांको पई किछि शब्द ही नहीं मु तांको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जनाउछि आ से मोर एडमायर एंड मु तांको बहुत से इंस्पिरेशन जर्नी तांकर जो टाइप रो से माने हमको सपोर्ट करूछंती लेडीज मान को आम सरकार तरफ भी आमको जो डिफरेंट स्कीम भी आसी से विषय में से कहले सेटा ही आम बहुत उपकृत थैंक यू माने धन्यवाद जन। देखो आग आम मुझे स्टार्ट करती जर्नी से टाइम रे आमको तो किसी जिनस आमर अवेयरनेस नाला एवं गोटे गोटे करके आमको अवेयरनेस आमर स्प्रेड होची लेडीज माने आमर जो आग धाड़ी रे आसुचंती जो प्रथमे 10 जन आसुले 20 रु 50 रु 100 आज तो आमर देखिले आपण फुल लेडी एंटरप्रेन्योर माने डिफरेंट किए एजुकेशन रे अच्छी किए वेलनेस रे अच्छी किए हेल्थ रे अच्छी किए कौन डिजाइनर अच्छी किए एग्रीकल्चर रे कंस्ट्रक्शन रे भी अच्छा सब क्षेत्र टेक्नोलोजी रे कौन नहांती एते सबुतरे पारंगम अच्छा समस्ते आसी आ समस्ते आसिकी जो आमर मैडम को जो एते बढ़िया जो डिस्क्राइब करवा जिनस भी से शुणी मु कौन कहबी आज आग धाड़ी रे जते आम लेडीज माने आछन एमिति नहीं कि जेंट्स माने भी हमको सपोर्ट करूचंती बोले आम आसीचु एमिति नहीं लेडीज ही सब बेले विदाउट आमर एज ए जेंट्स जो फादर हो ब्रदर हो हस्बैंड हो समस्ते कौ आमर जो रूप भी आमको से सपोर्ट करचंती बोले आमे आसीचु सेति आमे सब बेले सेति ही थैंकफुल एंड थैंक यू। धन्यवाद।
आगे तो मु जुबिना अली जे कि चेयर पर्सन अच्छा CII रो मु धन्यवाद देवाई चाहूँगी। इट्स अ प्रिविलेज टू कम हियर एंड लिसन टू द चीफ सेक्रेटरी जो आमर ओडिशा स्टेट रो जो विजन आज चीफ सेक्रेटरी कहले बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल थेला माने समस्त को पे ऑल दी लेडीज जो ये आसी पार्टिसिपेट करी माने सब कैटेगरी रो लेडीज पे ये कही जे कंट्रीब्यूट करंतु नुआ ओडिशा पे चाहे वुमेन लेड एमएसएमई हो या जो भी छोट छोट स्टार्टअप हो इट शुड बी लेड बाय वुमेन तो मु धन्यवाद देबा पे चाहूची आंकर विजन को आंको सैल्यूट करबा पे चाहूची ये गवर्नमेंट को सैल्यूट करबा पे चाहूची जे ये सब नारी शक्ति को गोटे ही प्लेटफॉर्म रे आनी चंती एंड गोटे नुआ ओडिशा को आमे मने नहीं कि ना आगे बढ़िबो ये कही चंती एंड नॉट ओनली हमर स्पोर्ट्स रिलेटेड ओडिशा आसिला ऑन द वर्ल्ड मैप किंतु टूरिज्म को भी ये आनिबा पे चाहूचंती इन द वर्ल्ड मैप थैंक यू मिसेस अनु गर्ग एंड वी विल come up to your expectations and thank you for your inspirational word. Jai Hind and Jai Jagannath.
अनु मैम कर प्रेजेंस ए प्रोग्राम को रूप को परिवर्तन करची आम मानकर चिंताधारा परिवर्तन करिची कारण मैम 10 वर्ष पाई ओडिशा किपरि रहबा 10 वर्ष परे से विजन गोटे ड्रीम आम मध्य इनपुट करिके गले जहाँ आम मानू सहयोग करिबो जे को सेक्टर रे कौन आसुची एज ए वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर आमे से सेक्टर को टच करिबा मैम भी कहले जे वुमेन मानको एमएसएमई रे स्टार्टअप रे इंक्रीमेंट माने संख्या उपस्थित एवं तांको बूस्ट तांको सपोर्ट दिया जाउची जेमती से मानकर पार्टिसिपेशन बढ़िबो जहाँ आमको रोड मैप मैम कहले आम पाखे गोटे स्कोप रहिला आमे ताको रीच करि परिबा से विजन को कलेक्टिवली आमे ड्रीम रे परिणत ड्रीम टाको आमे रियलिटी रे ओडिशा पाई परिवर्तन करि परबा जहाँ ओडिशा रो डेवलपमेंट सहित आम समस्तकर डेवलपमेंट सहित आम कंट्री रो भी डेवलपमेंट जीडीपी हाइक एंड अदर कंट्रीब्यूशन फाइनेंशियल कंट्रीब्यूशन ने हेल्प करवा से मैम को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद एवं ऑल द पार्टिसिपेंट अन्य माने जो माने आसीचंती एंटरप्रेन्योर माने से माने को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद ये प्रोग्राम टी को सक्सेसफुल करबा पई थैंक यू
चेयरपर्सन ऑफ CII IWN co-chair Mr. Nayak, Mr. Mahanti, Lipsa, all the strong women sitting in front of me and the sensitive men behind them. It is really such a pleasure and a privilege to be standing in front of you. And while you are complimenting me, I think you need to direct that towards yourselves. Because for me, I think you are the successful women in different fields. I really hold all of you in great admiration because under very difficult circumstances sometimes, personal, professional, women make it to the top and breaking many glass ceilings at times. And so it is very nice that all of you are here and all of you are making such a mark for yourselves, for society, for your families. We all play this dual role and I think we do it very well. Today I want to share with you the vision because as Zubina just mentioned, leadership is about vision. We have to have the path that we are going to take in the future. And in Orissa, we have this vision for 2036. That is when Orissa will turn 100 years old. And then also for 2047 when the country turns 100. And it is a very ambitious goal that we have set for ourselves. And in that, we are planning to go from a $113 billion economy that we are presently to $500 billion by 2036 and $1.5 trillion by 2047. And it is not going to be easy because even at our present growth rate of 7.9, which is higher than even the national average, even then, as business as usual will not do. And why am I telling you this? Is because we need all hands on deck. We need men and women all have to be participants. So very often when people talk of gender equality or women and men equality, they talk mostly from the social dimension, sometimes even political dimension, but social dimension, that because she's a woman she also must have her rights and this and that. That's of course very important. But there is an economic dimension. Women have to participate in the workforce for us to reach the goals that we have set for ourselves. If we want to increase the GSDP to where we want it to reach, women have to participate. It is mandatory. It is not a luxury that is being afforded to us. It is necessary in different ways. You don't have to always be an industrialist. You can be a designer. In different ways we have to contribute. And in this vision we have 3 pillars. And I'm talking to you about this vision because many of you may have helped us in conjuring up this vision, and many of you will be contributing to this vision, and I want all to be excited about the vision that is there for Orissa. We want everybody's eyes to light up when you think of Orissa in 2036, 10 years from now. So in these 3 pillars, our first pillar is Samruddhi, prosperity. And prosperity is like we want to have more ports. So you all are perhaps aware we have 3 ports. We are working on another. Just like Paradeep, almost the same size, we might have one at Bahuda. We are also working on 3-4 other ports, more airports. So we are working on expanding Rourkela airport into a proper airport. Utkela, how can we increase the size? Jaipur, how can we? And many other small ports, airports. Then we are working on doubling the rail network, increasing the roads. So many large infrastructure projects are being conceptualized. So a road from Gopalpur to Ambabana, just crisscrossing Odisha. Another from Motu to Tiring, that means from Malkangiri to Mayurbhanj. Again crossing the entire geography of Odisha. All these are being planned. And apart from that, urbanization. Urbanization, we want it to be an engine of growth. And at present, you will all be surprised that Orissa is only at 19% urbanization, which is one of the lowest in the country. And we plan to take it to 40% by 2036 and 60% by 2047. To do that, and why? Because the more industrialization will take place, the more there will be more housing and everything else will increase. And we, maybe some of you have followed, we've come up with this Bhubaneswar, Cuttack, Puri, Paradeep economic region. At present, you will be surprised to know that this region alone contributes to almost 19% of our GSDP. And by 2047, we think it will be 33% of the GSDP, almost 1/3. And so what we are planning is that in this we have identified some 85-90 big projects which will be taken up in due course. So there is a capital ring road, and then there is an outer ring road and an outer ring road. So we are hoping it will lead to real estate development, a lot more of growth. And apart from other things, so while Paradeep will be the industrial hub, Bhubaneswar will be tourist hub, Cuttack will be exploiting all its old world charm, and Puri will be the religious tourism hub. So many such things, and this Nirmala ji had announced in the union budget as making city agglomerates as economic regions. And so lots and lots of things are being planned. Or for example, some of you might be IT professionals. And so what we have done is that in this vision, we have identified many priorities across 26 chapters. So we picked up 36 and just lovingly we call it 36 for 36. So 36 for 36. And in those 36, we have these big things. So we will have Paradeep as the petrochemical hub, and we will have make Odisha a tech capital and a fintech city with global capability centers and a data center grid. So there are many such things that have been planned, and we are hoping that we will be able to achieve. I'm talking more about industry related things because this is a CII event, but there are a lot of things for farmers, there are a lot of things for tribals, there are a lot of things for other groups and for women. So across these 26 chapters, there are some common themes. And the state is doing many things, and some of them are doing very well. All of you are sitting here doing very well for yourselves. But there are so many things that we are planning. So where I think all of you can also contribute is like women self-help groups. All of you are aware that we had Mission Shakti, we have Subhadra Shakti. Now these, and there is this Lakpati Didi program. So we have around 60 lakh women who can put up their hands and say, "Hum Lakpati Didi hain," which means that I'm earning $1 lakh a year. And then when the Chief Minister was in a meeting with some of these Lakpati Didis, some of them said, "No, we are not just Lakpatis. We are 10 Lakhyapatis and 6 Lakhyapatis." So they are so confident, they are employing people, and we are hoping that self-help groups will soon become SMEs, small and medium enterprises. And I would request some of you to take one SHG each and mentor them, guide them, bring them to this level. Whatever support they require, please do that for them. That will be very nice if we can achieve. The second, I was talking about the pillars. The second pillar is well-being. Many of you will be surprised. I mean, in a vision, why well-being? Because if we are not well, how will we achieve what we want to achieve? And more so for people who are deprived. So this is bringing the longevity of life to 81, comparable with the best of countries, bringing down the anemia levels which are presently very high, or improving the nutrition of all the women, children, adolescent girls in a manner that they are able to contribute more efficiently to the growth progress. And so these type of things, education, skill, basically equipping them with all the might to take on the world, to take on this vision, to be able to contribute. And the third pillar, and this is where I seek your indulgence, this is equity, Samaveshi. So while whenever people make visions, there are always these very grand ideas of we'll do this, we'll do that. But what happens is that the last person in the queue, the last man, the last woman in the queue often get left out. So what happens is that while overall capital growth takes place, there is a lot of inequities in the system. So the divide becomes more. What we are trying through this, making this such a big pillar, is equity. And so, for example, the female labor force participation rate in Odisha is 49%. Now, ordinarily, that's not very bad compared to other states or even compared to the national level. But ours is in the primary sector. So, women are going for agriculture, doing some things, not getting enough wages, getting troubled, all that. What we want is a shift to the manufacturing sector and to the services sector for women, and to take this 49% presently to 70%, like the national figure will be in 2036, 2047. And this is possible because already they are into some work. We have to just ensure that slowly we develop the services sector. Our services sector at present is 36% of the GSVA, meaning primary, tertiary, and then if you take the services sector, it is 36%. We want to take that to 42% of GSVA by 2036 and almost 49% by 2047, which means IT and ITAS services, global capability centers, data centers, IT services, we have to improve that. Tourism will be a huge mainstay of our strategy because of the employment. We have said that we will have 1 crore jobs by 2047, which is non-farm jobs, which means 5 lakh jobs every year starting now. It is not going to be easy. So,
दर्शक बंधु जदि आम खबर भिडियोटी आपन को भल लगी थाए तेबे आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब फॉलो एवं लाइक करबा पई बिल्कुल भी भूलंतु नहीं। हाँ दर्शक बंधु आपण अन्य बंधु मानक शेयर निहाती करंतु। धन्यवाद। नमस्कार।